In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam library folder. By the end, you'll know exactly where Steam stores your games, which is helpful for freeing up space, backing up files, or adding mods with confidence. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and sign in if it asks you to. Once you're in, look to the very top left corner of the Steam window and click the Steam menu. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This is where Steam keeps all the controls for storage and downloads, and it's the fastest way to see where your games actually live on your drives. In the Settings window, click the Storage tab. Depending on your version, you might see it under Downloads as Steam library folders. Both take you to the same place. Here, Steam lists every library folder it knows about, along with the drives they're on and how much space is used. If you've ever told Steam to install games to a different drive, you'll see each of those locations here. Pick the drive or specific library folder you want to check. Next to the path, look for a Browse button or a small three dots icon. Click that, and Steam will open your File Explorer right to the library's location. This is the quickest way to jump straight into the folder without manually hunting through your drives. Inside that library folder, you'll see a folder called Steam Apps. Open it, and then open the Common folder inside. This Common folder is where the individual installation folders for your games are stored. Each game typically has its own folder here, usually named after the game. If you're organizing files or moving content, this is the directory you'll want. There's also a convenient way to go directly to a specific game's files from your library. Go back to your Steam library, find the game you're interested in, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the Properties window, open the Installed Files tab, then click Browse Files. This jumps you right into that game's folder without needing to navigate through Steam Apps or Common yourself, which is especially handy if you have multiple library locations. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.